No precision needed, just roughly go under the line that you made and just, clean it a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. I'm sorry I'm coming back after so long, after such a big break, I must say. Well, the reason for that was that I was a bit under the weather and I had a very bad sore throat. I could not even utter a word out, so that's why I could not do any new videos or anything. Anyways, I am back. I have got my voice back, thankfully, and now I am back doing the videos. So this video is about cut crease. I did a video about cut crease just like not too long back. I did how to do a cut crease easy way. But right now I'm here to tell you the easiest, the most foolproof way that any beginner can do. Yes, it is actually how to fake a cut crease, like what you can do in order to make people believe that you've actually done a cut crease when you have just outsmarted them all. So without further ado, let's begin. So you know the drill. Firstly, wash your face. I would prefer light exfoliation, but if you don't exfoliate or if you don't want to exfoliate, then just go ahead and wash your face like you normally do with a face wash. And now I have hydrated my skin. Like, I have applied a hydrating lotion, whichever suits you, go ahead and apply that. I have applied my lotion, my moisturizer, and now I have already let it sit on my skin for like 10 minutes. So now I will start with the makeup. Now, what to do first? Because we're doing the eyes, we need to prep our eyelids. For that, you can use an eyeshadow primer, but I always use a concealer. The concealer I'm using is the Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C12. I am just going to take that and apply one dab on each eyelid. Let's blend it out. So now I have primed my eye with the concealer, and now I'm going to set it with powder. Just a light dusting of powder. Now I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette. I am taking this Soft. Don't go, it's very well loved, that's why it's dirty. Anyway, so I'm taking this Soft X Revolution Extra Spice palette. First, I will be taking this shade called, Cheesecake. I'm just going to start dabbing it onto my eye, not taking any more product. Whatever is on the brush, I'm just gonna bring it on the crease, like over here inside. I'm not going to put it on the lid, just on the crease. This is about done. I will do the same on the other eye. Now I've done both my eyes, so I'm going to take the same brush that I did previously. Not gonna change any new brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead with this dark shade over here, which is called Brownies. Yeah, Brownies. I'm just gonna focus it over here, just on the outer corner, not blending it too much, just giving my eye a little depth, like just really pushing it into the eye socket, like over here, if you can see the line, and then over here, like underneath it, like really making a V if you can. Now let me do the same on this side. Okay, so I have done both my eyes. Now comes the moment of the truth, when I have to do a cut crease. Now ideally, like normally what I do is that I put a concealer, like I have done in the previous video. I will try to put a clip here where I just put a concealer here and then I just look up. It's a long process. So how do you fake it? So for that, firstly you need a new brush. Either you can use this brush, which is an eyeliner brush. It has a very small tip. You can take this one. You can take this brush, which is like a flat, small, flat kind of a brush. Or then you can use this eyeliner brush. This is also an eyeliner brush. It comes in a whole pack. I bought it from Amazon, so this is also a good one to draw a line. I am going to use the small eyeliner brush. This does comes in a lot of makeup brush sets, so I will be using this. Now I am going to take this black shade. I'm going to tap the excess off. Now what you're going to do is just do nothing. Just start drawing from here to here a line, and you don't need to be precise. It doesn't have to be a very like straight line. You don't have to like hold your breath for it. It just needs to be a line because you're going to blend it anyway. Okay, so let's start. I will start from this corner, like the inner corner. I will start from this corner and very lightly, don't put too much pressure because already it's a dark color. Just with small strokes, you can just take the line to half of your eye. Can you see this? Does it make sense? Let me take more color. I'm making it darker so you guys can see it. You can keep it as light as you want. I've done it till here, because this is where I do normally my crease till. Now I'll take the same brush that I took the first time for the lighter shade, and I will take the same lighter shade again, which was this cheesecake. You can do it with any brown shades. So dust the excess off, and I'm just gonna go on the line, just blending it just straight in a windshield motion, so that it does not look literally like a line. So that's it. Do you see? It has literally made a dark line. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this flat brush. It's a flat kind of brush which I normally use to do my cut crease with. So I am just going to take a concealer that I actually took to cut my prime my under eyes, prime my lids. I'm just gonna take it on the brush, like literally just a smallest amount, okay, and then I'm just gonna tap again on my hand to see that there is nothing there. Okay, now I will just neaten it under the eye, like under the crease. Just go ahead, where was it? Go ahead and just, no precision needed, just roughly go under the line that you made and just, clean it a bit. Doing it very roughly, trust me. That's that. I still have a lot of concealer left on my hand. If you can see, I just took a smallest amount and I just cleaned it a bit. So now I'm taking this palette, which is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Reloaded Affection palette, and it has gorgeous shimmers inside it, like a lot of shimmers, all the colors. So I will go in, because I'm doing brown, I will try to go in with I will go in with this kind of gorgeous color. It's kind of a champagne-y color. Let's try this one. If this doesn't work, then I will go with this shade. Just taking it on the brush. Any brush, I'm just taking a flat brush. You can even take it with your finger. And I'm just gonna start pressing it on the area where I have applied a kind of concealer thingy. There you go, guys. Do you see how beautiful it is? It literally looks like I have cut my crease when I have not. I have just literally taken a like an eye shade and just drew a line and just did this, and it looks like I have cut my crease. So this is a very easy way of doing your cut crease without going to the hassle of doing all the concealer and all that stuff. Now let me complete my second eye and the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back after finishing my whole look, and look at my eyes. How nice are they looking? Like, they're proper looking like I've done a cut crease. So this is like my holy grail nowadays. I don't cut crease now because it takes a lot of precision and a lot of time. What I do is I just use this method to fake it, or I do a cheat cut crease. So do try this out and let me know how you find it to be. It's a very good method, guys. Do try it out for sure, and it's very beginner friendly. Trust me, anyone can do this. You just have to draw a line. It's not hard, and even the line does not have to be very like straight or precise. It can be a zigzaggy because you're going to blend it anyway, so don't worry about that as well. Do try it out and let me know how it worked out for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below and please do subscribe to my channel, as that helps me a lot. So yeah, this is it, guys. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.